This is cutting-edge engineering. This is exponential precision. This is an LM wind power blade. From humble beginnings in a quaint little town called Lunderskov in Denmark, today, the LM wind power footprint extends across 4 continents, 8 countries, and multifarious cultures. But our commitment to LM values, high-quality talent, and pushing the boundaries of technology remains unwavering across all our locations. The LM Wind Power Technology Center in India is a glowing example of who we are, how we work, and why we are pioneers at what we do.
We work across the spectrum in engineering, operations, and manufacturing. There are a lot of sub-departments. If I talk about engineering, it's aerodynamics, structure design, reliability, materials and process, research around that area. Also testing our tokens, test coupons in the test lab, which is a very important part of our activity to qualify all the materials right here from India for our global business.
I'm working in LM Wind Power from last 7 years, and I specifically work in acoustic technology, but we have 3 different teams: the computational fluid dynamics, airfoil design, and acoustics. So we all work together because at the end we have to make a product which is efficient in annual energy production and at the same time efficient in low noise.
As a global talent hotspot, the Technology Center in Bangalore has grown from 15 engineers at the time of its inception in 2007 to over 160 personnel, working across a multitude of global functions ranging from blade technology to IT.
I joined LM last May 2016. It's been a less than a year for me, and the journey in LM as of now, it's been exciting. As my work demands, I have to interact with people globally every day, and whenever I interact with people, I can contact them at any point of time. I didn't find any hierarchy, and I really like this working style.
So when I came out of college, my target was to get involved in a global leader of any industry who does the structural analysis for big structures, that huge gigantic structures. And LM is the right place for that. So we have the blades which is the biggest in the world. If tomorrow I want a blade which is bigger, so that decision is taken by me, so that gives me the satisfaction.
I still remember we started with small teams working on finite element analysis, working on small CAD drawings, and then today there are functions where people are actually owning the complete process and working from here.
We industrialization team in India supporting 3 departments globally: global mold engineering, involved in design of the molds and mold equipments; global equipment engineering, involved in providing the transportation equipments; and in new capacity we are providing the plant layout support and installation support for all new plants.
In IT at TCI, we have 4 verticals: infrastructure, business intelligence, ERP, and then we have IT process. In IT, we take part in all global IT projects to help business to maintain the business continuity and to reduce the downtime with a minimum.
Talking about operational spectrum, we do quite some support on the manufacturing processes, design of that, ensuring that manufacturing processes are applied in all the LM Global factories, also the global quality processes sitting from here.
So we have 13 factories across the globe, and we need to ensure that the product coming out from the factories are same. So to have the same product as an output, we provide plants all the required documents to manufacture the blade.
Besides the focus on continuous innovation and support across many global programs and functions, the Technology Center also includes an advanced test lab.
The major raw materials that get into blades are glass, resin, core, and most of them are getting qualified or getting tested from this lab. The guys who work in this lab, they are very skilled guys. You have an idea in your mind, they can convert it to a product. That's the kind of skill they have.
We have a long tradition of excellence and innovation that includes technological breakthroughs, several world records and patents, the latest crowning achievement being the LM88.4P, the longest, most advanced wind turbine blade ever built. And in keeping with this legacy, the LM Wind Power Technology Center India has just achieved its own unique distinction. We are now among the best workplaces in India, as certified by the Great Place to Work Institute.
This is my 8th year in LM, and my journey in this 7+ years has been fantastic. I've always believed in doing your work sincerely, and things will happen on their own. You get recognized, whatever has to happen will happen. And thankfully, that's how LM works. Focus on your work. You don't have to worry about anything else. Your growth, your promotions, your recognition happens on its own. You don't have to chase that.
The vision for Technology Center India is all about how we are preferred business partner to LM Global Functions. That's the core of our strategy. That's the core of our vision.